modernization has become an absolute necessity for businesses in today's world. The essence of app modernization is migration of legacy to new applications or platforms, including the integration of new functionality to provide the latest functions to the business. Various options of app modernization include replatforming, rehosting, recoding, re-architecting, re-engineering, replacement and retirement of old legacy applications. Here are the reasons why app modernization is one process that businesses simply cannot afford to ignore. Competitive edge. Companies that implemented application modernization can capture market insights a lot faster. Hence, the ability to stay ahead of the competition. This is possible due to the architecture of modern applications coupled with the comprehensive cloud data centers, enabling the company to process the latest insight to adapt to the current market demands. Another advantage is robust security. The research found 87% of the IT decision makers agree with legacy applications being more susceptible to security threats because they are incompatible with modern security standards and authentication methods. Modern applications can substantially improve cybersecurity since updates can be done easily and more efficiently. The next advantage is to bring greater efficiencies for the business. Older software uses a monolithic application. Any updates or changes are complicated and time consuming. With modernization in place, older software can be re-architected into smaller deployable units, allowing updates to be done in separate unit applications. Another very good advantage is better user experience. We all understand that a good user experience creates value for employees and increases brand reputation. Having a modern application allows a refined user interface, cutting edge features, and functionalities to meet the needs of the users as well as exceed their expectations. Application modernization gives your business the superpower it needs to stay ahead. 65% of organizations will aggressively modernize legacy systems with extensive new technology platforms and investments through the next 2 to 3 years. App modernization is one of Alletec's key service offerings. Happy to connect with you and get your business fast forward in this journey.